Okay guys, so you see here, I'm going to be doing a cooking video today. And these are just different noodles, like, these right there are just different noodles. They're not the ones I usually eat. Fine. And, oh yeah, here's this sauce right here. I'm gonna go pause some Alright. I'm gonna pause. Oh, wait. Yeah. Wait, no. I'm gonna pause like a little zoom And I'm gonna wait for this and for like that to cook up. It's at like 4. Eventually it'll just get hot though. Because this is cooked up to 5 minutes. See, it says I don't know, 5:37. And yeah, right now the noodles are grilling up. And I'm gonna wait for them. They're probably gonna eventually get soft. I'll let them cool down when they get out. Should I like use this plate, you guys? Let me know down in the comments, even if it is in the sink. 22, 21, 20. Barely dairy, guys. This good cornbread's so good, isn't it? Yeah, I'm gonna take a piece out. Alright, that was good. Your noodles will be taken out soon once they're done. I'm fine, guys. I don't know, swallowed something wrong? Oh. Jesus. Oh. More raisins too. What? Alright, noodles, keep going. Until you're eventually done. Now, I don't know what's gonna happen to the noodles after they get out for a while, but it'll still be eventually good. I hope my phone doesn't die. Nope, it's not dead. Alright guys, I've been recording for like hours. I my dad or his girlfriend don't come in here because they might interrupt my video. I mean, I don't really want to record them though. I just want to do my video. I want them coming in the kitchen, noticing I'm like creating a video. It's a cooking video today. You know how the Duke fam has been creating like cooking videos? I don't know, like 2 or some, or 1, I don't know. Yeah, those are pretty good cooking videos. And whoever out there unsubscribed to him, subscribe to him because he didn't do anything wrong. I just blame him for absolutely nothing. I was the only person that called my teacher a jerk, not him. Not my step siblings. No one did. I'm the only rational person that did it. No one else has nothing to do with it. But yeah, if you do see him, like, yeah. I mean, Big Fam's cooking videos were good though. Last night, I was cooking eggs, and the other night I was with my dad, of course. I put cheese on, which I like about it. I think it's 540 right now. Oh wait, my dad's sleeping, taking a nap right now, so he probably will not come in the kitchen. So this is his girlfriend. Now I'm not gonna freaking have someone. I'm not gonna have someone interrupt my video. This is good. All right, looks like it's done. End.